Welcome to Hyderabad, the city of Nawabs and pearls, where history meets modernity in a seamless blend of tradition and innovation. In this vibrant city, Advanced Hair Studio is your trusted partner in overcoming hair loss challenges, restoring confidence, and redefining your look. At Advanced Hair Studio Hyderabad, we offer cutting-edge solutions, from strand-by-strand ultimate hair transplantation to advanced non-clinical techniques tailored to your unique needs. Our internationally certified surgeons and hair experts combine artistry and precision to deliver amazing results, ensuring you regain not just hair, but confidence. Whether it's thinning hair, bald patches, or alopecia, our personalized treatment plans are designed to transform your hair restoration journey. With over 50 years of innovation, 1 million satisfied clients, and a presence in 300+ locations worldwide, Advanced Hair Studio stands as a global leader in hair restoration. Experience the latest advancements in hair restoration, including minimal scarring, high-density results, and natural growth, all backed by FDA-approved procedures. At Advanced Hair Studio Hyderabad, we don't just restore hair, we transform lives, one strand at a time. Take the first step toward your hair restoration journey today. Visit us at Advanced Hair Studio Hyderabad and let us help you rediscover your confidence.